Welcome back to Daco, where we share inspiring home garden design ideas to help you create beautiful outdoor spaces. Today, we're exploring how rustic garden beauty can transform even the smallest yard into a charming retreat filled with character and warmth. If you've ever dreamed of having a cozy garden escape without needing a large backyard, this video is packed with creative ideas that combine rustic charm, natural elements, and clever repurposed decor. Before we begin, please subscribe to the Daco channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment telling us which rustic garden idea inspires you the most. Let's get started. A rustic garden begins with natural materials that blend effortlessly into the landscape. Weathered wood, aged stone, and gravel pathways instantly establish a timeless atmosphere that feels welcoming and relaxed. In a small yard, simplicity is key. Rather than filling every corner, focus on a few carefully selected rustic elements that create visual interest while maintaining an open and spacious feeling. Consider using reclaimed wooden borders around flower beds or placing old stone pavers along garden paths. These details provide texture and authenticity while enhancing the garden's natural beauty. Repurposed containers are one of the easiest ways to add rustic character to a small garden. Old watering cans, metal buckets, wooden crates, and vintage wheelbarrows can all become unique planters. Mix colorful flowers with trailing greenery to soften the appearance of aged materials. The contrast between vibrant blooms and weathered surfaces creates a visually appealing focal point. By grouping containers of different sizes together, you can create layers and depth that make a compact garden feel more dynamic and inviting. Rustic decor becomes even more meaningful when it serves a practical purpose. An old wooden ladder can be transformed into a vertical plant stand, maximizing growing space while adding vintage charm. Antique metal gates, salvaged shutters, and reclaimed fence panels can become decorative backdrops that add structure and personality to small garden areas. These repurposed pieces tell a story and bring a sense of history into the garden, making the space feel unique and thoughtfully curated. Every charming garden retreat needs a comfortable place to relax and enjoy the surroundings. Even a small yard can accommodate a rustic seating nook with careful planning. A weathered wooden bench, a pair of vintage chairs, or a simple bistro set can become the centerpiece of a peaceful outdoor escape surrounded by flowers and greenery. Adding soft cushions, outdoor throws, and nearby potted plants helps create an inviting atmosphere where you can unwind and enjoy nature throughout the day. Lighting plays an important role in creating a magical garden retreat. Soft illumination enhances textures, highlights focal points, and extends the enjoyment of the garden into the evening hours. Repurposed lanterns, mason jar lights, and solar-powered string lights bring warmth and charm without overwhelming a small outdoor space. Position lights along pathways, near seating areas, or among flower beds to create a cozy glow that makes the garden feel welcoming after sunset. A successful rustic garden celebrates natural beauty through abundant planting. Choose a mix of flowering plants, ornamental grasses, herbs, and climbing vines to create a lush appearance. Layering plants at different heights helps maximize visual impact while making the garden feel larger and more immersive. Vertical features are especially useful in compact spaces. Allow some plants to spill over pathways and containers naturally. This relaxed, slightly wild appearance is one of the defining characteristics of rustic garden design. Rustic garden beauty proves that even the smallest yard can become a charming retreat filled with warmth, creativity, and personality. With thoughtful design and repurposed decor, every corner can feel special and inviting. Whether you're using reclaimed wood, vintage containers, cozy seating, or soft lighting, these simple ideas can help you create a garden that feels both timeless and uniquely your own. Thank you so much for watching Daco. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share your favorite idea in the comments below. We look forward to seeing you in our next garden inspiration video.